Welcome to our channel Entertainment Ki Duniya.
Why did Buddha leave his wife and son? Buddhadev, also known as Gautam Buddha, left his home in pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Born as Siddhartha Gautam into a wealthy family in Lumbini, Nepal, he led a life of luxury and comfort. However, Siddhartha was deeply troubled by the suffering he observed in the world around him, such as illness, old age, and death. One day, Siddhartha ventured outside the palace and encountered an old man, a sick man, and a dead body. These encounters deeply impacted him, and he realized that suffering was an inevitable part of human existence. Driven by a profound desire to understand the nature of suffering and find a solution to it, Siddhartha renounced his life of privilege and set out on a spiritual quest. He left behind his palace, his family, and all worldly attachments in search of enlightenment. Siddhartha traveled far and wide, seeking guidance from various spiritual teachers and practicing rigorous forms of meditation. After years of dedicated practice and inner reflection, he finally attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, India. Buddhadev's decision to leave his home was motivated by a deep compassion for all beings and a sincere desire to alleviate suffering in the world. By renouncing his material possessions and embracing a life of simplicity and meditation, he ultimately became the Buddha, the awakened one, and shared his teachings to help others find peace and liberation from suffering. Siddhartha Gautam's decision to leave his home was not only a physical departure but also a profound inner journey towards self-realization and spiritual awakening. Renouncing his princely status and worldly possessions, Siddhartha embarked on a quest to understand the fundamental truths of existence. During his years of wandering, Siddhartha endured numerous hardships and challenges. He practiced extreme forms of asceticism, depriving himself of food and comfort in search of enlightenment. However, he soon realized that such extreme practices did not lead to liberation but only weakened his body and mind. Rejecting the path of extreme asceticism, Siddhartha embraced a middle way, a balanced approach to life and spirituality. He resumed eating moderate amounts of food and focused on cultivating mindfulness and inner awareness through meditation. One fateful night, while meditating under the Bodhi tree, Siddhartha experienced a profound awakening. He gained deep insight into the nature of existence, the causes of suffering, and the path to liberation. This awakening marked the birth of the Buddha, the fully enlightened one. Following his enlightenment, the Buddha dedicated the rest of his life to sharing his teachings with others. He traveled extensively throughout the Indian subcontinent, imparting his wisdom to people from all walks of life: kings and commoners, ascetics and householders. The Buddha's teachings, known as the Dharma, revolved around the Four Noble Truths: the truth of suffering, the cause of suffering, the cessation of suffering, and the path to the cessation of suffering. He expounded upon the Eightfold Path, which offers practical guidance for living a life of wisdom, morality, and mental discipline. The Buddha's teachings emphasized compassion, mindfulness, and non-violence. He encouraged his followers to cultivate virtues such as loving kindness, compassion, empathetic joy, and equanimity. His teachings provided a roadmap for transcending suffering and attaining lasting happiness and peace. Buddhadev's journey from a sheltered prince to an enlightened teacher serves as a timeless example of courage, determination, and spiritual transformation. His profound insights into the nature of existence continue to inspire millions of people around the world to this day, offering hope and guidance on the path to inner freedom and enlightenment.
Thanks for watching.